Tesla's Optimus robot had a major fail at a recent event in Miami, and the video is hilarious. At an event ironically called the Future of Autonomy Visualized, an Optimus robot was supposed to be showing off its skills. Instead, a viral video shows it knocking over a bunch of water bottles on a table. The robot then raises its arms, like someone taking off a VR headset, before its arms flop down, hitting another water bottle and sending water flying. Then, the whole robot just goes lifeless and falls backward. So what happened? It looks like this was a case of teleoperation, where a hidden person was controlling the robot remotely. It seems the operator took off their headset before properly disconnecting, causing the robot to malfunction. This isn't the first time people have been skeptical of Optimus's abilities, from folding laundry to pouring beers. Looks like the future of autonomous robots might still need a human helping hand behind the scenes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news.